In this movie, we'll be talking about attribute selectors. Now these are really fun. What they allow you to do is select elements based on attributes. So far, we've only been able to select based on the ID or the class attribute, but we can do a lot more than that. In our example today, I'm going to show you how it applies to href in anchor tags. If you want to follow along, you can use the file you've been using all along, or you can open up relationalselectors3.html from your working files folder. Now, first of all, at the very bottom of this page, you'll notice there are a number of links. I'm going to target all of the anchor tags on this page that have an href set. I'm going to tell them to have a color of blue. Maybe I'll say dark blue. Now, if I were to go down and create another anchor tag down here, and I remove the href, you'll notice that that does not get the dark blue coloring. Now let's go a little bit further than this. There are plenty more interesting things we can do here. If we look at these links, this links to a non-existent PDF file. Now, the browser doesn't know it's non-existent because it hasn't queried it yet. For all intents and purposes, it's a link to a normal PDF file. I can say href equals something, and then I'll be targeting an anchor tag with a certain href. For example, this is sample.pdf. As you can see, now I'm targeting the element by its href, and I'm changing its color to red. But I can go even further than that. I can say, if the href ends with .pdf, the way to do that is $equals. So here I'm saying, if an anchor tag has an href that ends with .pdf, change the color to red. Let's save that, and sure enough, it still works just fine. If I were to change any of these links to have .pdf at the end, they would also change to red. Now this email me link actually goes to a mail to address. So you can say href starts with, the way to do that is $equals. To get a caret, hit Shift 6 on most keyboards. Href starts with mail to, color green. Let's do dark green. And now we have a nice green color. Beyond that, I can even say any anchor tag that has an href that contains something or other. In this case, I'm going to say href contains $equals Mozilla. We'll set that color to gray. And sure enough, all of my MDN links, that's to the Mozilla Developer Network, the href contains mozilla.org, and so it therefore contains Mozilla. That's why the color changes to gray. Now you can do this with all sorts of other things. You could say rel equals external. That'll get you all of the anchor tags with rel equal to external. You can get all of the images that have alt text, like this. You can get anything that has a language set equal to the following. So as you can see, there are a lot of different things that you can do with attribute selectors. A lot of websites will actually target all of the anchor tags that end with .pdf, and instead of just changing their color to red, they'll actually give them a background image of a PDF icon. They'll set the background position to left center, background repeat to no repeat, and they'll give some padding on the left. Now in this case, I don't have a PDF icon.png, but what this does is it takes your anchor tag, adds a little bit of space on the left-hand side, 20 pixels to be exact, and then it puts a background image of a PDF icon in that little 20 pixels. That gives the impression that there's a little image tag inside of every anchor tag that links to a PDF file. That's a great way of letting your visitors know this is a PDF link.